Walking daily can change your life. It is the simplest yet most effective prescription I can give as a doctor. Most people underestimate the power of a simple walk, but science tells a different story about our physical and mental health. Just 20 to 30 minutes of walking daily significantly improves heart health by strengthening the cardiac muscle. Regular movement helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease by up to 30%. Beyond the physical, walking is a powerful tool for your mind. It naturally boosts your mood by releasing endorphins. It acts as a natural antidepressant, helping to clear cortisol, the stress hormone, from your system effectively. And let's talk about weight. Walking helps maintain a healthy weight by keeping your metabolism active throughout the day. Consistent walking burns calories and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes. As a weight-bearing exercise, walking also strengthens your bones and joints, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as we age. It keeps your joints lubricated and maintains flexibility, which is vital for long-term mobility and independence. Did you know walking can make you smarter? Studies show it increases the size of the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Regular walkers often report better focus, increased creativity, and a lower risk of cognitive decline later in life. If you struggle with sleep, a morning walk can help regulate your circadian rhythm, helping you fall asleep faster at night. Paradoxically, spending energy on a walk actually leaves you feeling more energized for the rest of your daily tasks. Walking outdoors also provides essential vitamin D from sunlight, which is critical for immune function and bone health. In fact, regular walkers spend fewer days in the hospital and have stronger immune responses to common viruses. Walking is also a great social activity. It's an opportunity to connect with friends or family without the distractions of screens. Shared movement fosters deeper conversations and reduces feelings of isolation, which is just as important for health. To get started, you don't need much, just a pair of supportive shoes to protect your joints and prevent any discomfort. Don't worry about distance at first. Focus on consistency. Even a 10-minute walk is better than no walk at all. Using a pedometer or an app can help you track your progress and stay motivated as you reach for that 10,000-step goal. If you can, walk in nature. Green exercise has been shown to provide a significantly larger mental health boost. To recap, walking improves your heart, boosts your mood, helps maintain weight, and ensures better sleep. It is truly medicine. It's one of the simplest ways to stay healthy, and it's accessible to almost everyone, regardless of fitness level. Start walking today. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Follow for more health tips, and I'll see you on the path to wellness.